Hey guys! Whether you're whirling up bananas and berries for smoothies or making a pitcher of frozen margaritas, a quality blender should be able to process your ingredients into smooth, creamy perfection. If you're wondering what the best blender is for the money, keep in mind that the answer is most dependent on how often you use the appliance. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 blenders available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best blenders. The 5th product on our list is the NutriBullet Bluetooth-enabled Smart Blender. If smoothies are your go-to breakfast, the NutriBullet Smart Blender is an excellent contender to beat. You can use its app for step-by-step instructions. With the built-in smart scale, you'll know when you've added the right amount of each ingredient, and the built-in tech automatically sets blending speed and time. The app also includes the nutritional breakdown of every recipe. With or without its connectivity, this delivers quality performance. It pulverized kale, liquefied frozen fruit, and took a mountain of ice cubes without the need to stop and stir. There is no measurement marking on the plastic jar, but the scale means you won't need them. Its pros are: it has modern and advanced features for a more convenient blending. Its base suctions to the countertop to prevent skidding. And it has a small profile so it can stay put on your counter 24/7. However, its cons are: the blending cup comes with drinking lids, but the canister is a little too big to take on the go, and its tech features may take some time to get used to. With its advanced features and functionality, the NutriBullet Smart Blender is an excellent addition to your kitchen. It is also a perfect appliance to complete your smart home. Up next in the 4th place is the Arbutus My Blend. The Arbutus My Blend is perfect for making smoothies or protein shakes to take on the go. It also looks nice and sleek. Measuring 6.9 by 6.7 by 14.9 inches, it won't take much space in your kitchen counter. Drinks can be blended directly in the sport bottle, meaning no extra dishes to do. Simply fill the jar with ingredients, twist on to blend, replace the blade with the lid, and you're off. It is excellent for active and health-conscious individuals. The latest versions have been significantly improved. The travel lid is very secure and you can carry it in your backpack or gym bag with no fear of spilling its contents. You also have plenty of color options to choose from. Its pros are: its price is lower compared to other blenders. Its 20-ounce Triton bottle is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. However, this machine is limited to smoothies and protein shakes. It doesn't perform well with tough leafy greens. Overall, this affordable blender is perfect for those who only want to make single-serve smoothies. The 3rd product on our list is the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. This powerful Breville takes the guesswork out of making almost anything thanks to task-specific speeds and pre-programmed settings. If you are an experienced or novice cook, you will love this blender. It earned perfect scores for ease of use. It has easy-to-read measurement markings on the plastic jar and sleek brushed stainless steel exterior to boot. This state-of-the-art blender comes with impressive versatility. It churns ice cream and milk into creamy, frothy milkshakes without liquefying soft ingredients, while it quickly grinds a hefty serving of tough coffee beans. It also comes with an LCD display and timer where you can adjust the speed and pre-programmed settings. Its pros are: it is easy to clean. It blends quietly. The blade design and high torque motor deliver quiet and efficient performance. And it comes with heavy-duty blades. It is engineered with surgical-grade stainless steel to ensure that the blades stay sharp for a long time. However, with its lighter weight, it tends to skid around on the countertop. The Breville Fresh and Furious is well made and an excellent all-around moderately priced blender. Second on our list is the Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine. If you're looking for an all-star high-performance blender without an excessive price, the Black & Decker is the one. It is among the quieter models on the market, so you won't have to worry about waking roomies in the AM. It comes with a koozie for the blender jar and a 2-ounce measuring cup. This blender easily powers through tough, fibrous kale for perfect smooth green smoothies. Thanks to its 8-cup capacity and ability to puree fruit and ice for frozen cocktails, the Black & Decker is ideal for those who like to entertain. It has 4 pre-programmed blend settings for margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies. Plus, it's as simple to use as they come. Its pros are, it is easy to clean. It has digital controls for you to push, so it cleans up fast and easy. It also has dishwasher-safe parts. It has an easy pour spout. It is reclosable and no drip, so your party keeps going with fast pouring and less spilling. And it has an insulated chill sleeve, so your cold drinks remain cold for a long time. However, the jar might show some slight staining after using it. The Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is a terrific bang for your buck. It is simple and efficient, providing you excellent value for your money. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top product on our list is the Vitamix Explorer Blender. The Vitamix Explorer Blender is a cult favorite for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing this showpiece can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butter to hearty soups. Its ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speeds, and its heavy-duty base won't easily move on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excels among the rest. It can quickly grind coffee beans and whirl up milkshakes and margaritas in seconds. It also comes with a pulse feature, so you can do heartier recipes such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick at a fraction of the cost of the other Vitamix models. Its pros are, it has hardened stainless steel blades designed to handle the toughest ingredients, and it is self-cleaning. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, this machine can clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. However, its cons are, it is expensive, and the container is on the small side at just 6 cups. But in the end, the Vitamix Explorer Blender is a top-notch choice. Its speed settings allow you to have complete control over your blending, and the performance is tough to beat. And that completes our top 5 best blenders on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now, thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.